Simplify your dado cuts with the Woodpeckers Dado Setup Fixture, or DSF. And when paired with the Woodpeckers gap gauge, tedious dado setups are a thing of the past. The traditional method for setting up dado cuts can be a repetitive, frustrating pursuit. And without a precise way to measure dado width, or securely arrange the dado stack, you're forced to reach inside your saw again and again to get the right cut. By mimicking the mounting of the dado set on your table saw, the DSF allows for an easy, ergonomic setup. Just take a physical reading of the material with the gap gauge. Then match with the DSF to set the perfect dado width, eliminating the need for multiple test cuts, saving time and stress. The DSF incorporates a 5/8" brass arbor and threaded knob that fully compresses the dado stack, just as your saw's arbor nut would, and can accommodate dados up to 15/16 of an inch thick. Quickly secure the DSF with a bench vise by drilling into a work surface and inserting the included 3/8" pins, or mount to a Festool MFT with its perfectly matched bushings. A clever addition to your shop, the gap gauge makes gauging the thickness of material or the dimensions of a joint a one-step operation. And the mini gap gauge is perfect for mortise and tenon joinery. Work more efficiently and make dado setups quick and easy with the Woodpeckers Dado Setup Fixture and Gap Gauge. A combination built for precision in the USA.